Fine boy, no money. Let's go. Oh my God! Wow!
Naija, they see you.
Hi, beautiful. How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you alone?
I'm here with my boyfriend.
Boyfriend. Yeah, but I can still have your number, so I can spoil you a little bit now. You know how we roll.
Bad boy.
You are a bad boy. You are a very bad boy.
I'll call you.
You don't want?
Now why are they purpose? I go do more than intended. I go shoot.
Good afternoon, boss.
Afternoon.
Please, I'm kind of stranded. My phone is off and I want to call a friend around here. Please, can I use your phone?
I should give you my phone to
Yes,
call.
yes. Just to call you, please.
Sorry, would I know me?
Did you make the call again?
See that girl inside that gave you her number? That's my girlfriend.
Yes.
I just detected the number from your phone. She's a bad girl and a spoiled girl, but I like her like that.
What are you saying?
You want?
Are you mad?
Jesus. This evening you will die.
When last you see me and friends? Me why I get bad character. I don't betray all of them. All of them now. They regret the day they ever met me. But it's good. I'm happy. I know I'm a bad friend. It's fine. One thing why I just like so much is how this thing see. My ego on the last. You see, friends. If you don't get friends, your ego go the last. I swear.
Bros, I beg. Everything what I explained to you now true. My father don't die, my mother don't die, my sibling, all of them die. I don't get where to stay for Lagos, I beg.
Bros, good afternoon.
Well done. So, I can feel see waiting to job, I beg. Anything.
Bye. I appreciate.
Don't worry.
Thank you very much. So this begging something, they work for Lagos like this. He? My father don't die, my mother don't die, all my family don't die. They'll come give you money. The real beggar don't enter. They don't even know. You go see begging skills now. That's fine. So now beggars compound. White color, beggars color.
Okay.
Try that. Ross, well done.
Good afternoon.
Ross, I'm not supposed to be doing this for condition. My father, my mother, my sister, my brother, everybody does that. Did they bury them like this for village? For the base, to see so they put them for ground. Make me, I say no. Let me come to Lagos and hustle. Because I reach here hungry, working. Even if not 2,000, make I just jump, continue my journey.
Wait.
You don't know what I'm about to wake my mama.
Sabinus. What? Hey! What a small. Sabinus.
You know me?
Wait. Sabinus, you don't know me?
You did the burial.
Sabinus, you don't grow. Sabinus, now me, your elder brother Festus.
But then don't say you don't die now. I didn't even see you. Not say I small that time.
Die where? I never die, yo. I live as when you dey small. Since 2004, I come Lagos here, I come hustle.
You dey alive?
I dey alive. I'm happy to see you.
Now you get this house. Now you get this motor. Chineke. God don't bless you. No agree. Make family people know.
Me, get which house? Now the same begging work I dey do for Lagos since 2004.
You dey beg too.
I dey beg now. I beg I come beg person yourself.
What thing they do our family?
Bro.
Bros.
You know it's good to help people.
Yes.
Call me your account number.
2020. 8686
445
445
UPA.
UBA.
I will send you 100,000.
Jesus.
100,000.
Bros, thank you.
Who is this young man?
I'm the engineer brother and my senior brother be this. The same family.
Young man, I thought you said your whole family members are dead.
Yes.
Now so now go they work out the people for
No, yes, all of us don't die. Now me just wake up this afternoon. Miracle. You know the tired Jesus.
You see miracle now. Come on, get out of this. Leave this. Can you imagine, bros?
Him don't begging or make me a begging my own. What did really happen?
When you reach police station now, you go beg. Come on, leave this.
I still got joy in chaos. That makes no sense. Now I won't be going under. I'm not held by my own strength, 'cause I've built my life on Jesus.
Hey!
He never let me down. He's faithful to every season. So I feel now. You
Angela. So they even come here. Thank God I break up with you on time. I know by now I don't do a show. Nakaya mata I can't do. Anyway, it's over 4 years. Nice meeting you again.
You be mumu.
Baba.
God have mercy upon us.
My son, what brings you to my shrine?
I beg where your father day. Maybe all this one where you do.
God have mercy upon us.
Young man, don't dare the cause. What brings you to my shrine?
You be mumu.
Anyway, they say don't judge a book by the cover. Baba see waiting carry me come. You get one gear. Why I sell my family land. 2. Send and go US. Now my girlfriend. She studied the money finish. I sell one of my kidney. Send for her, make she use do masters. This girl finish everything, come back Nigeria. She said I'm not good enough for her. Hey! Baba, the worst one be say, this girl they do wedding. She still get mind. Give me invitation card.
Dead body go surplus.
I want make you give me something. If I reach there, after that her wedding day, she will not see the next day.
You mean you want to?
I want her eyes.
Asinudere kawaka na mapuozu afọ. My son, this is your solution. With this, you just did a handshake with her.
Dead body go surplus.
And Otilo.
I talk him. Small but mighty.
Young man, your palms.
You dey smoke Igbo?
What's that on your palms, my son?
Baba, now this girl will just come off for here. My ex. You know women and their makeup. So after I check her, now I see the thing for my hand. So Baba, just give me the thing where they go. If I dish her, my rubber.
My son,
This man.
she came for exactly the same thing that brought you here. She wants to. Her ex.
What is that Charlie boy say our mumu don't do? Charlie boy na ya mumu na.
Baba, what will I do now?
I'm sorry, I don't have a solution for you. Hey! You just have to go home and die.
Hey!
Joy is coming. Joy is coming since January. Even though na trek, Joy dey trek. Joy never still come. Anyways, anytime when Joy finally lap you, no forget wetin your eyes see when you broke. Oh. Remember people wey use sticker reply you when you wan die.
Mr. Wedon, don't the fire where you go? Army training. Ah, this guy. Come on, there. This guy not teach me this thing. Where? This guy not teach me this thing. Where? Oh,
I still got joy in chaos. I've got peace that makes no sense.
Women.
Never let me down. His faithful